You're watching other Shorts creators blow up, hitting millions of views, but your bank account hasn't gotten the memo. You feel like you're stuck posting, grinding, and getting views, but the money is nowhere to be seen. What if there was a blueprint that separates the creators who get paid from the ones who just get views? In the next few minutes, I'm handing you the keys to the YouTube Shorts kingdom, so you can finally turn your creative passion into a paycheck. That feeling is the worst, isn't it? Pouring your soul into dreaming up ideas, filming and editing, hitting publish, and getting nothing but digital dust. You've heard about revenue sharing, but the math doesn't add up, and it feels like you're just making content for free. But here's the secret. It's not about getting lucky. It's about knowing how to play the game. There is a proven path to turning your views into real income. And by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how the money flows from advertisers through YouTube and directly into your bank account. First things first, to make a single dollar, you have to join the YouTube Partner Program. Think of it like a video game where each level unlocks a new money-making power. There are 2 key levels. Level 1 is your early access pack. You can get here with 500 subscribers, 3 public uploads in the last 90 days, and 3 million Shorts views in the last 90 days. This level doesn't unlock ad money, but it gives you access to fan funding like super thanks and channel membership. This is a crucial first step to earning directly from your most loyal viewers. But the main course, the level that turns on the ad revenue fire hose, is the full YPP. For this, you need 1,000 subscribers. And the big one, 10 million valid public Shorts views in the last 90 days. Hitting that 10 million view goal is your ticket to the show. It's what allows you to start earning from the ad machine, making it the primary target for any serious Shorts creator. Alright, lean in, because this is the part almost everyone gets wrong. Unlike regular videos, ads don't play on your Shorts. They play between them in the feed. Here's the journey the money takes to get to you. The giant cauldron of cash. Each month, YouTube gathers all the money from every ad shown in the Shorts feed and dumps it into one massive pot called the creator pool. Before you get a cut, YouTube first uses the pool to pay for all the music licenses. If a short uses a popular song, a portion of the revenue it helps generate goes to the music industry. If it uses no music, all its associated revenue stays in the creator pool. The money left over is then divided among all monetizing creators based on their share of total views. If your channel got 1% of all eligible Shorts views that month, you are allocated 1% of the money from the creator pool. From your allocation, you keep 45%. That's your piece of the pie. YouTube's 55% share helps cover the enormous costs of running the platform and licensing music for everyone. And one final critical step. Once you are in the YPP, you must go to the Earn tab in YouTube Studio and manually accept the Shorts monetization module. If you don't click that button, you get 0 ad revenue. It's a rookie mistake that costs creators thousands. Knowing the rules is half the battle. Winning is the other half. Focus on these 3 steps to turn your channel into a business. Step 1. Mine for gold, don't just dig for dirt. Not all niches are created equal. An audience interested in personal finance, technology, or business is worth far more to advertisers than a general entertainment audience. This means your RPM, or revenue per 1,000 views, will be dramatically higher. Viewers in countries like the US, UK, and Canada also bring in more ad money. Choose a niche where companies are already spending big. Step 2. Engineer virality. Stop hoping for it. Hitting 10 million views isn't luck, it's design. You need the holy trinity of a viral short, a killer hook in the first 2 seconds to stop the scroll, a story that holds on tight, and an ending so perfect they have to watch it again. And most importantly, be original. YouTube is actively penalizing unoriginal, reused, and low-effort AI content. Your unique personality is your golden ticket. Step 3. Build your empire, not just your ad revenue. Ad revenue is the floor, not the ceiling. Once you unlock fan funding, use it. Gently encourage your die-hard fans to show their support with super thanks on their favorite video. As you grow, brand deals and affiliate links for products you genuinely use will come knocking. For most top creators, these income streams eventually dwarf what they make from ads alone. If you're done playing games and ready to get paid for your creativity, do one simple thing. Hit that subscribe button. So there you have it, the playbook. First, level up to the full YouTube Partner Program with 1,000 subscribers and 10 million views. Second, Understand that you get a 45% cut from a shared revenue pool, meaning high-value, original views are king. And third, maximize your income by choosing a high RPM niche and building a real business beyond just the ads. The mystery is gone. With YouTube recently reporting a mind-blowing 200 billion daily views on Shorts, you're not just making videos. You're drilling for oil in one of the biggest digital oil fields on the planet. The opportunity isn't just massive, it's astronomical. Now, go get what's yours.